Today I am sharing 5 incredible websites for fonts that every designer should bookmark it. These tools will not only make you design better but also save you tons of time. Have you ever struggled to find the right font combination that just click? Fontpair.co is here to save the day. This tool is your best friend when it comes to pairing font that works beautifully together. Fontpair.co is designed for simplicity. You can browse through categories like serif and sans serif or script or serif to find the ideal combination for the project. It's especially useful for creating stunning typography for websites, presentation, or social media posts. Picture this: you are designing a portfolio and want to mix uh, some fonts with readability. Fontpair.co helps you nail that balance effortlessly so you can focus on your creativity rather than second guessing font choices. Ever wondered what font top websites like Apple, Netflix use? Font Rich gives you the power of uncover the most popular font in the internet along with detailed statistics. This tool is invaluable for competitive research. For instance, if you are designing a tech product, you can see what font domain the tech industry and align your design accordingly. It's also a great way to stay on top of design trend. As a designer, I have often felt inspired by popular website but wasn't sure how to replicate that style. Font Rich brings that gap, gives you that insider knowledge to make smarter font choice in your life. Why settle for off the shelf font when you can create your own? Glimpse app empowers you to design custom font that reflect your unique style and vision. This app is perfect for professional looking to add a personal touch to branding projects. With intuitive tools and tutorials, even designers or who as beginners can start creating custom typeface in no time. I recently created a custom font for a client luxury brand using Glimpse app. The ability to tailor every detail from the spacing to assets gives the project a signature feel that sans fonts just couldn't achieve. Say goodbye to disorganized font libraries. Database is a sleek tool that helps you explore, test, and organize font from your project. The app allows you to preview fonts with your own text, making it easier to visualize how they are looking in your design. You can even uh, filter by style, mode, or you can in use case, which saves tons of time. We have all been this scrolling endless through fonts, typing to find the perfect one. Font database simplifies the process, so you can. Looking for a unique and free fonts? Abstract Font is a hidden gem for designers who want to stand out with creative typography. With thousands of fonts to choose from, you can find options for virtually any project. Whether it's a brand, invitation, or social media, the best part, most fonts are free for personal and commercial use. I remember using abstract font for a wedding invitation project of my friend. The variety of style made it easier to match the elegant and festive vibe the client wanted. Not my client, my friend. It's a go to resource for the creative project. Go and explore those fonts and let me know in the comments what's your thought about this. If you have any websites with you, let comment down that also. And don't forget to like this video, share with your design buddy, and please do subscribe. It's very much important to Triple P Design for more design tips and tricks. Hit the bell icon so you will never miss an update. Until next time, keep designing, stay creative.